In the last video, we saw that to change a circle's position, you have to use variables for the x-coordinate and y-coordinate where it gets displayed, and then you have to change the numbers in those variables, and that's what creates movement. In this video, I want to show you how you can reset the position at different times. So let's say that whenever we click, it will reset back to its original coordinates. How would we do that? First, we have to detect clicking. So if mouse pressed is true. And then we have to think, what do we want to have happen whenever the mouse gets pressed? We want to move it back to its original location. So that means we need to reset the numbers inside the xy variable. So I could say x equals 400 and y equals 400 to reset it back to the original position. So now what's going to happen when we run the code is we'll draw an ellipse centered at xy. The x and y will change, but whenever we press the mouse, we're going to reset x and y back to the middle. And it looks like this. And now I'm going to click the mouse, and whenever I click it, the circle resets back to the middle. What if I wanted the circle to reset to a random location whenever I click? I still want to change x, y, because that determines the location of the circle. But now I don't want 400, 400. I want random numbers. And you already know how to make random numbers. Okay, but random between what and what? My whole screen consists of coordinates between 0 and 800. So I think I want to scale math.random times 800 so that 799 is the largest possible coordinate and 0 is the smallest possible coordinate. And I think I'm going to do that for both x and y. So now when I run it, whenever I click, it's going to reload to a random location. You might wonder, why is it bouncing around like a crazy circle? Even though I'm trying to click just one click at a time, remember that draw runs 30 times a second. So even though I'm trying to click just once, in the amount of time that my finger is pressing the mouse, draw is actually running several times. And so it's resetting several times, even though I'm only trying to reset it once, which is a good thing to keep in mind about how quickly draw runs. If you want to detect single mouse clicks, there's also a different way to do that, which we'll cover in a later video.